Yes. So, can a shoemaker be called an artist? Yes, if he has the same skill and pride in his trade as any other artist and the same respect for it too. Mr. Gessler, a German shoemaker settled in London, is a perfect artist. Read the story to see how he devotes his life to his art. Now, let us get ahead with the text. I knew him for the days of my extreme youth. I knew him from the days of my extreme youth because he made my father's boots. He lived with his elder brother in his shop, which was in a small by street in a fashionable part of London. Yes. Who is this? Who is this? May I know? Anushka, don't you have a dictionary? Purchase. Who is sitting here with dictionary? Amit Kumar Pal. What word she asked? I didn't get it. Did you hear what she asked? All right. So is it okay, okay. So is it a word or is it a phrase? Yes. Okay. So Anushka, yes, yes. One by one, I will take up your responses. Be there, be there. That's the way it has to come out in the collaborative way, right? If a child is not here with a dictionary, she's not knowing probably how ma'am teaches, right? Because she seldom is there in the seventh period. Seventh period में तो दर्शन वाले कितने लोग होते हैं? Hardly 25-27. बाकी की जनता तो रहती नहीं है. So in case she is not aware, so who will look up? Extreme means it is a phrase combining two words, youth and extreme. Extreme. What is the meaning of extreme? Find out what part of speech is this? Noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. What it? You may. It's an very great or strong. Okay, okay, Anushka. Anushka, very great or strong. Yeah, yeah, Ankit, I got it. I got it, Ankit. Now be patient. I'll ask you again. Okay. So Ankit says it is very strong or what? Great. Great, great. Now Anushka will frame a sentence with the word extreme. If Anushka has understood, you have to use extreme in a sentence in such a way that the meaning is automatically clear. I have extreme pain in my back. So, my pain is like, is my pain very slightly affecting my body or it is majorly? Yes. Or is it affecting me majorly? So when strong or great is represented by extreme, so you people should be able to frame sentences also. सिर्फ yes ma'am बोल के चुप नहीं होना है, उसको यूज भी तो करो सेंटेंस में. And then what is the meaning of youth? Amit Kumar Pal will say. बताइए. No, I'm not accepting this yuva. I want a English term for this. Youth means the people who are young. Exactly. No, no, keep on speaking, keep on speaking. Your petrol is endless, I know. The kind of petrol you use in your body, it is super jet. It never ends. Your bike keeps on riding high, even on hills, mountain, rainy weather, whatever it is, you can easily ace it through. You don't realize that if we are speaking, we have to speak in such a way that the speaker must get a chance to respond in between. You speak in such a way that the next moment your voice is going to be disabled. तो जितना बोलना है अभी बोल लो, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट मोमेंट में तो शायद बोल ही नहीं पाएंगे, है कि नहीं? इस तरीके से अगर आप लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे तब तो मैं कहूंगी आप लोग चैप्टर पढ़ाइए, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूँ, है ना? दिस इज अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रैटेजी. आज ही मैंने टॉपिक्स दिए 8th में ग्रामर के. People will be preparing material and from Tuesday onwards they'll be teaching those topics and I'll be sharing the screen. Similar thing I can plan with my batch 7. They are so energetic, full of energy. All are so Gyani Babas. All are scholars. But those Gyani Babas have to have a good button of on and off also. And if all the Bhaktjan who are there in this, there in front of the Baba, if all the Bhaktjan will start attacking on the speaker, on the saint, on the scholar, then what will be the sin? है ना? तो इस चीज को जिस तरीके से आप लोग डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा है, लेकिन इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहिए ना. ठीक है? अगर कोई भी, if there is any child who has difficulty in vocabulary, he will ask, ma'am, I want to know the meaning of this word. Then automatically the people who are there in the with the dictionaries will find out the meaning and will type it in the chat section. So the child will automatically be helped. Yes. But every time the child has to ask it loudly that, ma'am, I don't have a dictionary and I want to know the meaning of this word. And these all my lovely volunteers who are ever ready, rato, dino, barisho, andhi ho, tufan ho. Yes, ma'am. So there you have to come in action. Is my instruction clear or not? आपको, yes. Yes. This way the people will be held in a maximum way. अदरवाइज अगर मैं नेविगेट ना करूं तब तो सब एक दूसरे के ऊपर इस तरीके से हो जाएगा कि वो स्टैम्पीड हो जाएगा. स्टैम्पीड. फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस स्टैम्पीड. STAMPEDE. Aryan, hi. You look lost. Why? Not happy today? STAMPEDE. Be a good listener. And now don't interrupt. I was asking something to Aryan. Let him respond first. Aryan, are you not in a good mood? Feeling so low? Then why am I not feeling so? Always your head is in a bowing position. Yes, Majesty. On your call, Majesty. Say the command, Majesty. You should sometime participate too. Okay. Are you there with a dictionary? Why? Is there no dictionary in your house? Probably many. Go look around and bring one. Go. Found. Search Atharva's study table. You might get one. All right. So should I now proceed? You find the meaning and you type it in the chat section. All right, all of you. All right. Yes. So now I knew him from the days of my extreme youth because he made my father's boots. He lived with his elder brother in a shop which was in a small by street. Now, what is the meaning of by street? Find it out for me. In a fashionable part of London. The shop had a certain no. Use the chat section. The shop had a certain quiet distinction. So many words are coming across. You must acquaint yourself with the usage of dictionary. All right. There was no sign upon it other than the name of Gessler Brothers. Okay. And in the window a few pairs of boots. No, here the sentence ends. So probably how should I have read? The shop had a certain quiet distinction, full stop. There was no sign upon it other than the name of Gessler Brothers, and in the window a few pair of boots. Boots. The intonation of the voice should be like this. आपका उच्चारण इस तरीके से होना चाहिए that the audience must get to know that the sentence has ended. All right. So now the description of the shop is going on, and the name of Gessler Brothers could only be seen. He made only what was ordered, and what he made never failed to fit. Who is he? The person who was master in making shoes, boots. To make boots, such boots as he made, seemed to me then and still seems to me mysterious and wonderful. All right. So the person who is telling the tale is appreciating he, and who is he? He is the Gessler brothers, one of the Gessler brothers. Yes. Understood. Now, now the shop had a certain quiet. This I've read. I remember well. I remember well my shy remarks. I remember well my shy remarks. Now the speaker is recalling about his own experience. You should be able to make out meaning. Why am I saying and explaining this way? Because whenever you sit at home alone and going for a self-silent reading, this should be the way to read and to question your own self. That who is speaking to whom? Who is being described in these lines? Is there any connection in the previous paragraph? Then I must relate to it. Am I clear? I remember, yeah, I remember, okay, I heard. Should I begin now? I remember well my shy remarks one day while stretching out to him my youthful foot. Isn't it awfully hard to do, Mr. Gessler? And his answer, given with a sudden smile from out of the redness of his beard. It is an art. It is an art. Now look at the words. The way the person has pronunciated, it is giving a different picture that he is taking so much of, and that too with an exclamation mark. The sentence is written. What Mr. Gessler replied, it is an art. But the words chosen by the author are very different. So if you have to speak it exactly, which accent is this? German accent, said with a German accent. Okay. Germany accent नहीं होता कुछ भी. Good. Good. Okay, now pause. Do you feel the Indian accent is way different from the German accent? I have to say, exactly. So now speak a sentence in German accent. Okay, the sentence is, Beautiful boys. Try saying it with a German accent, all of you. Let me see your. No, it should be. It sh- it it should be beautiful boy, boy, beautiful boy. Okay, अरे ओ ब्यूटीफुल बॉय ऐसे जर्मनी में बोलोगे तो कोई समझेगा नहीं. चलो ओके. All are beautiful boys, but let me tell you, with boys, let me tell you with exactly, exactly. कौन है ये? Who is this? Good. Okay, Vivek too, Durgesh too. Boys are always handsome. Girls are always beautiful. है ना? पता चला you are there in a party of your friend and he's dressed up nicely. Hey, happy birthday! You look so beautiful. Okay. so he so he may not mind, but it will be funny though. Okay. So let me now, nobody will speak in between and we shall cover the chapter now. It was not possible to go to him very often. His boots lasted terribly. The way he was making up the boots was so good that it will never ever get damaged. It will last long, so you won't get a chance to visit to Mr. Gessler very soon. टेरिबली तारीफ की है यहाँ पे, बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से वो लास्ट लॉन्ग करते थे, मतलब कभी फटते ही नहीं थे, कभी डैमेज ही नहीं होते थे. ओके, lasted very long. Having something, look at this illustration. It is the shop. It is the exterior of the shop, Gessler Brothers. And then this is the man who is appreciating Mr. Gessler and his shop. And look at this window. Just few paragraphs before, we have discovered that the shop was not much bulky. There was a window and some pair of boots in the window could be seen from outside, and the name of the shop. Okay. Beyond the temporary, some essence of boots stitched into them. One went in, not as into most shops, but restfully as one enters a church and sitting on the single wooden chair, waited. So if anybody would go inside the shop, he would generally wait, right? A guttural sound. A guttural sound. Guttural means harsh and grating. All in all, very harsh and sound, right? A guttural sound and the tip tap of his slippers beating the narrow wooden stairs, and he would stand before one without coat, a little bent in leather apron, with sleeves turned back, blinking as if awakened from some dream of boots. So, children, this is the description of the man who was the maker of the boots, and in a way, he is the owner of the shop too, right? So, this paragraph is very, very important. You may highlight it and you may mark it, like you may put this para in a bracket. Okay, so what is next? And I would say, how do you do, Mr. Gessler? Could you make me a pair of Russian leather boots? Without a word, he would leave me retiring whence he came or into the other portion of the shop, and I would continue to rest in the wooden chair, inhaling the essence of his trade. Soon he would come back, holding in his hand a piece of gold brown leather. With eyes fixed on it, he would remark, "What a beautiful piece." So, piece means piece. What a beautiful. But listen how it is written. Beautiful. D-I, beautiful. What a beautiful piece. When I too had, yes, when I too had admired it, he would speak again. When do you want them? When do you want them? And I would answer, "Oh, as soon as you conveniently can. And he would say, tomorrow fortnight, or so this is the fortnight means brother. Okay, tomorrow brother, tomorrow fortnight, or if he were his elder brother, I will ask my brother. Okay, what do you say? I will ask my brother. Then I would murmur, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Gessler. Good morning. He would reply, still looking at the leather in his hand. And as I moved to the door, I would hear the tip tap of his slippers going up the stairs to his dream of boots. Look how young he is. Does he look young? Comment on his look. Okay, okay, okay. Now a humble instruction. Bhavishya and Ankit and Rudra will not say until they are asked. Okay, these three musketeers will not say a word now. Okay, put a smile on your face. Yes, ma'am. Because if these three musketeers will keep speaking, then my other little musketeers will be in a Aramdayak sofa, laying down their backs, and they all will be. These three are the best class fellows I can ever have. They solve the worries of the rest of the classmates. They speak so much that the rest are already doing rest. They need not to speak because the answer is already given. So need not to speak. ठीक है? Okay, okay. So now some lovely fellows like Samiksha, Aditya, Ashmit, Shashwat, Aryan, and then a number of people. How many people are there in the meeting? Let me see. 38. Kapil Kumar. Kapil, I received your consent letter. Your father just came and he gave it to me. Okay. So now, is the story clear? I cannot forget that day on which I had occasion. I cannot forget that day on which I had occasion to say to him, Mr. Gessler, that last pair of boots creaked, you know. So now I will be speak. Listen, no, nobody will unmute and say in between until my instruction goes. So now what am I going to do is, as I do in class 8, and in class 9 too, I will be reading a para and then I will be asking the student to explain. Whosoever I will ask, only that child will unmute and will reply. And this thing is clear to each and everyone. Nobody will unmute to say yes, ma'am. Okay, so be ready now. I'm going to read the para now and I'll be asking you individually. So be prompt. Follow me in your books. Keep a dictionary by your side. Hold a pencil in your arm. As simple as that. I cannot forget that day on which I had occasion to say to him, Mr. Gessler, that last pair of boots creaked, you know. He looked at me for a time without replying, as if expecting me to withdraw or qualify the statement, then said, it shouldn't have creaked. It did, I'm afraid. You got them wet before they found themselves. I don't think so. At that, at that, he lowered his eyes as if hunting for memory of those boots, and I felt sorry I had mentioned this grave thing. Send them back. He said, I will look at them. Some boots. He continued slowly. Some boots are bad from birth. If I can do nothing with them, I take them off your bill. So now I will ask this to the boy. Vivek will explain. From I cannot forget to take them off your bill. What's going on? Vivek? What do you mean by creaked? Yeah. So boots can be broken too, huh? I am getting what you're trying to say, but broken is not the correct word here. When we are trying to show the condition of a exactly. Cracked means a damage, a rupture is there in the boot, and now it is not fit to be used, right? So the same he is saying to Mr. Gessler. Next, what happens? Do not say the author. Do not say the author. Say the speaker. Address him as the speaker. हाँ यही तो दिस इज आई एम वांटिंग क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आप लोग इतना यस मैम यस मैम यस मैम आई अंडरस्टूड it's not happening at all. You people have to go through the self text analysis. You are having books with you, all of you? Acha, many are raising hand. These two mosquitoes so are already there. But I want all of you to reread the lines. Reread the lines. It is not that easy as it. I read it. Wow. कौन सी इंग्लिश है भाई? तुम ना 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 तुम आओ क्लास में. आओ 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 आओ. उसके बाद देखो मैं तुम्हारा रेडेड और सेंडेड नया एक इन्वेंशन होगा वर्ब फॉर्म का गर्मा गर्म यू नो एंड आई विल serve you in the platter. Bapre, do not do that. If you people don't know, do not feel shy, ma'am. What is the verb from? What is the third form of verb from this verb? You can always ask. Ask your friends. Those all these Gyani Babas are here. Always unmute and create an uproar of noise. A new music is composed. Teacher is teaching and a music is also composed at the same time. How creative and intelligent my students are. So do not underestimate the power of your classmates. They are very knowledgeable. कुछ पूछ के तो देखो. Okay. So I'm giving you a minute, all of you who are here in this meeting, and I will come to you, each of you individually. Astha, Ayush, Durgesh, Ghanishta, Aryan, Anshika, Ankit, Amit Kumar Pal, Ashmit, Anushka Singh. यहाँ पे सत्संग नहीं हो रहा है. You people are just like, yes ma'am, just give us the ज्ञान and we will take it. No, it has to be understood equally. हम साथ में समझते हुए चलेंगे. पढ़िए लाइंस को दोबारा से पूरा चैप्टर पढ़िए. Okay, listen, it's already time. So now in my next lecture, maybe possibly tomorrow, if there is any class, right? So I shall be discussing the text. Not now. Not now. Oh, very good. Very good. Thank you for the reminder. So in the last period, I would like to see how many of these people survive to take my class. Okay. If you are survived from your own laziness, poor battery, horrible network, and terrible weather, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग whatever, कुछ भी हो सकता है ना एरिया में, भूकंप भी आ सकता है. अगर आप लोग बच गए तो 7 पीरियड में मिलिएगा एंड देन वी शैल डिस्कस द टेक्स्ट टुगेदर. यस और नो? एंड थैंक यू.